Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your stop the habits on the Hizo application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So, that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just click to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the home screen, and here you can find the left bar and go to the second section, the manage habits. Click the second button, the stop habits, and if you have any deleted or stopped habits, you can check in this site, but actually I don't have any. So that's simple. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.